Okay. You do not have to worry about me. You do not have to worry about me. She is Love and Hip Hop Fight Reunion. Ready. What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in. Another video. Here we are. If you're new, I am Mika Lynn, or Wigs to Wasteland, and a little bit of everything here, darling. Makeup, wigs, and now vlogs. So today I do want to give a big thank you to Outre for once again loving on your girl and sending out a unit. Now before we get into this video, do hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell, get all post notifications. Most importantly, drop your girl a comment down below. We are on the road to 100K, baby. Let's hop right into Miss Girl, I had to look. Mariella. So this is a part of the Melted Hairline collection, and I can tell you right now, this is kind of giving me Lissy vibes. It's just a longer version. I do have her in the number 2. She comes in 18 inches. With HD transparent lace. She's heat taped up to 400 degrees. Of course, comes in a number of colors. And baby, I am pleased to say your girl has tried most of all these colors, except for that red. I ain't touching it. And I do appreciate that the top has the waves going all the way up. So sometimes that can be a hit or miss, but we shall see. And she is full, baby. Full. And the best part, guess what? Look, all these bright lights, she ain't shining bright like a diamond. She's straight, y'all. Now, I will be customizing most of this unit on the mannequin head. I'll be cutting it and doing all of that good stuff. However, let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and take off this bonnet. And let's go ahead and pliggity plop her on so you can get an idea of what she looks like straight out the back. Okay. Okay. Woo! Okay. You do not have to worry about me. You do not have to worry about me. Okay. So the parting space looks really good. You do not have to take anything out of this wig. And the hairline actually looks good too. It's not like all the way plucked. You know, it doesn't have like that, what's that word I'm looking for? It's not bulky, I'll say that. You know what I'm saying? They definitely took some effort to pluck the hairline. So this is going to be like a beginner friendly hairline. You know, it's not going to have those grooves that you kind of have to cut into. And I can tell you the texture is really soft. So I definitely appreciate that. It does come with baby hairs, as you can see here. So we'll try to keep that nice and wispy and kind of out of the face. I don't want to gel anything down for this unit. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. Y'all ready? Here we go. All right. What we thinking? I know. Not quite there yet. Now, my goal is to keep this pushed away from the face and very subtle baby hair or edges. So with that being said, I will be probably gluing down the ear tabs on this unit. I'm going to try my best not to glue down the hairline. Best case scenario, we gluing her down.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all good.
This is what I need, and I'm not getting that. So, Alright, listen. So, I'm really tempted to just do one thing, okay? I'm really tempted to part this down the middle. Kind of one of them trust the process moments, right? I want to do some bangs in this unit at the top. Shape it a little bit. Okay. Let me see if I can add just a little bit of gel. So this is a Pattern Stronghold Gel. Strongly suggest check out the review. Click the I after this, sis. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit up top just to flatten this out. See if we can get it flat. Okay. Now, I got a new mirror, y'all, so you about to see it. My apologies, but I need to see. Okay. There we go. Now I need to just see.
I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Okay, let's go ahead and talk about this baby. BayBAY. Comes to the cap fit for the Melted Hairline collection. No problem across the board. I'm using the adjustable strap in the back. So this unit is snug, baby. She is Love and Hip Hop Fight Reunion ready. I did get the plickety plucking along the hairline. I wanted to really give you that kind of pushed away from the face look, and I think the lace on here, baby, Melted Hairline collection has that name for a reason. Now, the fact that I was able to swoop very subtle baby hairs, push it away from the face, and it just fell into place, not even glued down. Listen, it's everything. This lace is very, very thin, very delicate. Tread lightly when it comes to plucking it, because let me tell you, I did pluck quite a few holes taking some hair out of this unit. So you definitely want to make sure that your tweezers are not too sharp, because BayBAY, once you take it off, can't put it back on. I think the texture on here is absolutely freaking gorgeous. I love the texture. I don't know why I had mixed feelings about Lissy. Maybe because I didn't tease it as much. But I think once you kind of brush it out, this has a really natural vibe to it. Really no biggie. Go through with your wide tooth comb, kind of brush it out very, very lightly. You don't want to do it too much because you will frizz it up. And once you frizz it up, baby, good luck curling this, because she is synthetic. So, you know, I think the texture is really, really good. However, when it comes to this texture and a part, you know, I just feel like with the volume of this hair, putting a part in this unit, it just wasn't working for me. I could not get this to lay as flat as I wanted it to. It was kind of looking like it was sitting on top of my head. So that's when we remix, baby. And baby, she just comes to life. I will say I do regret straightening the roots on this unit. I think I would have went about it just a little bit different, but I do prefer this unit with some bangs. It's not like super overpowering my face, if that makes sense. I think this frame's way better. I love that the curls are at the root now, so you know, it definitely is going to give you more of that natural vibe. I did take a few inches off just to round it out, shape it to my liking, and I'm liking this way better. Very full unit, baby. You do not have to worry about no tracks showing on this bad boy. She is definitely full, and she's going to give you that nice, full, voluminous look. But this is definitely a style that you're going to have to finesse with. You're going to have to figure it out on your own, girl. But I'm pretty pleased, y'all. I'm pretty pleased. Okay. So if you're interested in checking out the information for this unit by Outre, definitely hit up the description box down below. I will have a general link. And of course, big thank you to all of you, most importantly, for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Do hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell, get all push notifications. Most importantly, drop your girl a comment down below. Take care of yourselves, ladies. Keep yourself first. Keep loving on yourself. Keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.